How to put do not disturb mode on WhatsApp. So here is how to do it for iPhone users. So let's get started. First of all you have to do is open the WhatsApp app on your mobile device and make sure that you are logged into your WhatsApp account. Now, once inside the WhatsApp app, tap on the settings icon available at the bottom right corner of your screen and navigate to your WhatsApp settings. Now, once in there, all you have to do is simply scroll down unless you see notification and simply tap on it. Now, all you have to do is toggle off all the notifications, show notifications option available there. Now, once you toggle it off, all you have to do is go back to your iPhone's home screen. Now, once you are back to your iPhone's home screen, look for this settings app in your iPhone's home screen, and all you have to do is tap on it. Once in there, scroll down unless you see notification again and tap on it. Now, from the list of the apps below, look for the WhatsApp and simply tap on it. Once you tap on the WhatsApp, if the allow notification option is toggled on, then simply toggle that off. This completely stops WhatsApp from sending notification while keeping the app active. And that will be. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.